You ever sit by the pool, ready to relax, but the chair you picked feels more like a piece of gym equipment than a spot to chill? Yeah, that's the worst. In this video, I'll be showing you the best pool lounge chairs, the kind that make it easy to kick back and forget what time it is. I've matched these for a few different categories, so no matter what your setup looks like, there's something that'll fit just right. All the links to the products are down in the description if you want to check them out for yourself. And if you enjoy videos like this, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the bell so you don't miss what's coming next. Got any questions, or maybe a favorite pool chair you think should have made the list? Drop it in the comments. I read them all. Let's get into the reviews. Floating Luxuries Kai Shelf Lounger. Best pool lounge chairs for sun shelves. This one looks like it came straight out of a 5-star resort. It's made for those shallow tanning shelves that are about 8 to 9 inches deep, so you can stretch out right in the water without floating away. Well, as long as it's filled up properly. I've seen people call it their staycation must-have, and honestly, I get it. The smooth resin surface, the built-in cup holder, and even a spot for your phone. It all feels made for lazy afternoons with zero plans. It's pretty big too, with that true resort width seat, so you've got plenty of room to stretch out. Once it's filled with water, it stays put nicely and doesn't shift around. That said, it's definitely in the premium range, and it can take 2 people to move it once it's full, so plan for that. A few folks have mentioned things like the cup holder sitting a bit low in the water or some staining near the drain, but most agree that the comfort and look are hard to beat. If you've got a pool shelf that fits and you want that resort vibe at home, this one brings it in style. Modway Shore Aluminum Outdoor Chase Chairs. Best poolside lounge chairs. If you like a clean, modern look by the pool, this set is probably going to catch your eye. The brushed aluminum frame and gray accents make it look sleek without trying too hard. Kind of that effortlessly cool style you see at fancy hotels. You get 2 chairs in the set, which is nice if you like symmetry or just want to avoid arguing over who gets the good seat. The backrest has 4 reclining settings, including a flat position for sunbathing, and the wheels on top make it super easy to roll around the patio. The frame feels sturdy for outdoor use, and it's built to handle plenty of sun and water exposure. Cleaning's a breeze. Just wipe it down, and you're good. Some folks mention the chairs can feel a bit firm if you're sitting for a long stretch, so adding a cushion might make a difference, but for a mid-range price, the overall look and build give off a much more upscale feel than you'd expect. It's a great pick for anyone who wants a pair of matching loungers that look clean, last through the seasons, and keep your poolside space looking sharp without breaking the bank. Crest Live Products Folding Patio Chaise Chairs. Best folding pool lounge chairs. If you like something that's easy to move, pack, and store, this one checks all those boxes. It folds flat in just a few seconds, so if you're the kind of person who's always rearranging the pool setup or heading to the beach on a whim, this makes life a lot easier. It's super light, just over 10 pounds, so carrying it doesn't feel like a workout. The aluminum frame keeps it rust-free, and the mesh fabric is breathable so it stays cool under the sun. You can adjust it to 8 different positions, from sitting upright with a book to stretching out for a nap. And no assembly at all. It comes ready to go right out of the box, which is always a win. On the flip side, it's more of a budget pick, so it's not as wide as some of the other loungers. Taller folks might find it a bit snug, and there have been a few comments about wear on the fabric after months of heavy outdoor use. Still, for the price, it's a great grab-and-go chair that's easy to use and surprisingly comfy. If you just want something light, practical, and pool-ready without spending much, this one's a solid choice for summer lounging. Ostrich Beach Lounge Chair. Best pool lounge chairs for tanning. This one's built for anyone who loves tanning but hates doing that awkward flip every 10 minutes. The design includes a face opening and arm slots, so you can actually lie on your stomach and still scroll your phone or read without twisting your neck like a pretzel. It folds up into a compact size, and there's even a carrying strap, so taking it from the patio to the pool or the beach is no hassle at all. It's lightweight, just under 10 pounds, but still feels sturdy enough for relaxing. You can pick from 4 reclining positions, including completely flat, and the quick-dry fabric handles splashes just fine. There's even a little side pocket for your phone or sunscreen, which is always handy. Now, it is more of a budget pick, so it's not perfect. Some taller folks might find it a little short, and the face hole might not line up perfectly for everyone. A few people have mentioned the folding mechanism can pinch fingers if you're not paying attention. But for casual tanning or just catching some sun by the pool, it's a really smart setup. If you want something portable, comfy, and made for long tanning sessions, this one does that job without taking up a ton of space or money. Tankula 2-person outdoor lounge chair with canopy. Best double pool lounge chair. If you've ever tried sharing a lounge chair and ended up elbowing each other for space, this one completely solves that problem. It's shaped like a soft wave, built for 2 people to stretch out side by side without feeling cramped. The curved frame actually supports your body really well, so you can relax for hours without getting that stiff neck or sore back feeling. The mesh surface keeps things nice and cool, even on hot days, and the removable pillows make it easy to find a comfy spot. The built-in canopy gives a good amount of shade, which is perfect for reading or just napping without getting roasted by the sun. The fabric handles light rain just fine, but it's better to pull it under cover during a downpour so the canopy doesn't pool with water. It's got wheels, so you can move it around to follow the shade or the sun without dragging it. Assembly is much easier with 2 people, but once it's set up, it's super sturdy and holds a lot of weight. For a mid-range double lounger, it looks impressive and feels high-end. If you want a poolside setup that's made for sharing, without fighting for space, this one hits that sweet spot between comfort, style, and practicality. So that wraps it up. There's definitely something out there for every kind of poolside setup, whether you're after comfort, style, or something easy to pack and move around. If any of these caught your eye, all the links are waiting for you down in the description. And if this video helped you find your next pool chair, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the bell so you don't miss what's next. Got a favorite or a question? Drop it in the comments. I love seeing what everyone picks. And if you're still shopping around, check out some of my other videos. There's plenty more waiting for you there. Thanks for hanging out, and I'll see you in the next one.